What's going on today, y'all? Here at the shop, we got the Blaze out today. See what I'm saying? But we got a little something going on. I'm gonna have to show y'all. We got 20s on it now. Just wait. We got something going on. I'm finna show y'all what the truck gonna look like with the remix. These black and chrome, they finna be all chrome. Just know that. I will put a sneak peek in there soon as we get done, getting everything done. But what I was finna say? We got good news for the long bed. Got good news for this Blazer. Got good news for a Ford Bronco. And we got good news on a couple more other things. But as of the Blazer, get new rims and it's getting new paint. It ain't mine, it's a friend of mine. So yeah, we gonna get it. He getting it done. It was supposed to be getting the paint first before we put it to wheels, but he said he gonna go ahead and put the rims on since he test fitted them on today, and he like them. Look, police always ride. They stay ride. But he gonna get them rims on today. And we're gonna see how it do when it's rolling in action. Yeah. Yes, sir. We'll get it done. You see? Ooh. Little sneak peek. But yeah, once we finish, I'm gonna show y'all the after. Finally done, y'all. Oh, it's sitting wide though. It's an extra wide. It's back, y'all. They all on. We gotta get the other caps. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Oh. It's ready though. Oh. It's sitting wide. We're missing 2 caps. I don't know. We set one of the other ones down somewhere, but and the dude stepped on another one, so we gotta order another cap. It's ready. Alright, Candy. Got the dually up here today. We just having fun at the shop. Nothing to do, just work on your own stuff. And the long bed gonna be done too. That'll be coming to y'all like next week, probably. But till then, I'll be dropping nothing but other videos. Alright. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a spin in this truck, catch it rolling in action. We want to get a video of it, so we're gonna do it that way. But V8, turn it a little bit. Well, we ain't gonna be turning this deep anyway. So we finna take it down the road. Where the camera mount at? Set it back up. Gotta set the camera mount up. We'll get back with y'all. I'm finna have them catch me on the outside rolling. Finna have them catch me in action rolling. Hey, you ready for the video? Drink extra gas, I tell you that. Yeah, it's it wide, y'all. Show you something. Hey, where your phone at? Where your phone at? Hey, hang on, y'all. Y'all stay on the camera. Yeah. around the back way. Got it like this, so we're gonna roll up the windows. Catch me in action, y'all. Catch me rolling. I'm gonna show y'all on the other side of the camera. How's it going? Man, this truck ride good, but it drinks a lot of gas. That's enough. We finna put it up now. Yeah, right, good. Let's see what he wanna do with it, y'all. Too much pressure, baby. fun in it. You like it. That's all that counts. I'ma name that truck Ocean View. Look like an ocean. What y'all think? I'll say Ocean View. He say Old Faithful. Ocean View. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Ocean View, the name for the truck. He say he getting it painted regardless, but still. Right now the truck name Ocean View. That's why I'm gonna name it Ocean View. That's gonna be the name of this video, Ocean View. Yeah, it's ready. It's a different mixture. How you doing? I'm gonna get to you. That shit wide. Ooh. That shit wide. Look mean.